Guys, look at the condition of the road. People are hanging outside and the conductor be like, there is a lot of place inside. Please come in. So guys, I'm arrived at the office और अभी ना एक कांड हो चुका है. This is my first time experience. Let's see how does it taste. It's a disgusting choice that they have suggested me. I was taking ride. What's up guys, it's my first day at office. Yes, I have recently joined as a customer care executive in Swiggy Instamart. Now I know a lot of you might be thinking, weren't you starting a SMMA? Didn't you even build a small team once? Well, for some reason that didn't work. Maybe in the future I will share all the updates on the channel. Whatever, technically it is 2 days after my first day at office, so there would be some difference in my facial structure, especially with my beard. So yeah, you guys can guess why it is. Let's get started. Guys, look at the condition of the road. I have to walk this way. Oh fuck no. Fuck no man, my pants are getting wet.
Everything falls into place. The minute you leave and give me space. I wanna know how.
Guys, just I got in the station and the train came in. So like I have to get up in the train from this side. So one uncle helped me. Whatever. So currently it's 9 AM around. I guess it's 9 AM. So it would be around 10:20. At that time I'll be reached the office. Let's see. Guys, we have a lot of rush in the bus and as well as crisis of autos. Like usually there is used to have more autos than passenger, and today there is like more passengers than autos. The condition of the buses, guys, I just got a bus and look at the condition, guys. People are hanging outside, but yeah, still good because at least I got a place to like stand, not hanging around or outside. This shit man, I have to do this more 45 days. People are hanging outside and the conductor be like, there is a lot of place inside, please come in. And finally we are reached, but I have to do the documentation. So I don't have all the xerox of my identity cards, so I have to xerox all the documents that required, as well as take passport photos, 3 copies. So I have to do that from here at an higher cost. My bad, I had to make it from my like locality. So guys, I'm arrived at the office और अभी ना एक कांड हो चुका है. मैं च्युइंगम खा रहा था तो मैं पानी पीने के टाइम ना वो मैं गलती से swallow कर लिया हूँ. जो भी हो, मैं ऑफिस का टूर तो आप लोगों को नहीं दे सकता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड होता है ये सब कंपनी में. Wait. What do you mean by this isn't a cinematic shot? Honestly, I'm worried if the company says the video, I will get in trouble. They really don't appreciate about your side hustle. So guys, it's the documentation time and our supervisor told us to like log in and then upload all the supporting documents and re-verify everything from our end. Since filming is strictly prohibited, I can't really show you guys, but I will try my best to get a glance from like anywhere, okay? तो इंस्टामार्ट वाले हम लोग यहाँ पे पीछे बैठे हैं और फ्लिपकार्ट वालों का वहाँ पे साथ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होगा उन लोगों का, तो वहाँ पे समझाया जा रहा है. What's up guys, so it's currently our lunch time. By the way, I'm thinking to get something light, so I'm also thinking to visit Starbucks. So guys, I have to take one butterscotch coffee, I guess, or what's the name? Yeah, the name is Classic Orange Butterscotch Coffee Tall, which was 280 and after taxes and everything 294 or something. So yeah, this is my first time experience. Let's see how does it taste. But the ambience is here is really nice. And look at the outside of the view. We have Bose Institute here, as well as the like interior is really amazing. Everyone is like sitting here enjoying their coffee with their partners or like friends. So they told me that it would take around 15 minutes or something. In the meantime, I'm gonna send some email to my potential clients and like update whatever I have with my freelancing, okay? Because after this I have to like rejoin there. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so our first impression is our last impression, right? And it's really great. The packaging is really like all the material can be disposable, and the coffee, yeah, it's looks really good, isn't it? And the tissue is also different from other companies that we have seen in our daily life. मेरा जो एक फर्स्ट क्लाइंट था ना कार्ला ओजेदा, तो उनका घर है ना मतलब बार्सिलोना में है। तो वो जब भी मेरे से मतलब मीटिंग में बात करता था, मैक्सिमम टाइम मतलब स्टारबक्स में मैं रहता था। तो हाँ, यहाँ का मतलब स्टारबक्स पूरा इंटरनेशनल का मतलब ये रूल्स है कि आप एक कॉफ़ी ले सकते हो फिर पूरा दिन स्पेंड कर सकते हो। ऐसा कोई भी रूल नहीं है कि आपको मतलब जाने के लिए बोले यार कुछ ऐसा। Great. Since this is my first time experience, let me share you guys the honest review from my end. This kind of tastes like orange syrup that I have chosen. Not I have chosen. I was selecting iced brewed coffee or something, but they suggested me this one. मैं पहले जो भी सिलेक्ट कर रहा था ना, तो मैं वही यूजुअली पीता हूँ जो भी मतलब लोकेलिटीज़ में मेरा वहाँ पे जो कैफ़े है। आइस ब्रू कॉफ़ी जो है कोल्ड कॉफ़ी होता है वो, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे ये सजेस्ट किया, लेकिन इसका टेस्ट उतना अच्छा नहीं है। तो आप लोग अगर सजेस्ट करें ना तो ये मत लेना, ठीक है? ख़राब भी नहीं है लेकिन उतना अच्छा भी नहीं है। सिरप जैसा टेस्ट है थोड़ा बहुत, ऑरेंज सिरप का। इट टेस्ट लिटरली सिरप लाइक what we used to take during our cough or something. So yeah, it's a disgusting choice that they have suggested me. I was taking right. I was thinking that it could be nice. Let's try. It's really disgusting. But I can't like throw it away because I have spent 300 rupees for just a coffee. I can't throw it away. I have to enjoy it. Even I can't. I don't want to mean that. But yeah, it don't taste like the A1 quality, what I was expecting.
Being put in my place, I'ma just dive right into the wild side.
No matter if you stay till 7:20 or
Till I die.
we have only 15 minutes. So अभी हम लोग का मतलब लीव हो चुका है और आज तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं था। डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हुआ है, फिर जाके हम लोग का इंडक्शन हुआ है, जहाँ पे समझा रहा था कि ये कंपनी कब स्टार्टेड हुआ था, क्या इनका इस कंपनी का मोटिव है, कौन कौन क्लाइंट को मतलब सर्व करता है, कौन कौन निशेज में। तो हाँ, ये सब चीज़ों में मतलब हम लोग को समझा रहा था। लेकिन अभी हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं। हम लोग मतलब एक दोस्त भी जा रहा है, दोस्त मतलब जो मतलब को वर्कर्स है, तो हम लोग एक साथ जा रहे हैं। अब पता नहीं वो कैमरा कंफर्टेबल है कि नहीं है, तो इसीलिए मैं खुद का ही शूट कर रहा हूँ। वैसे गाइस आप लोग को एक और चीज़ बताना था। मैं ना एक मतलब जो को वर्कर के साथ आया हूँ मतलब घर जाने के लिए, तो उन्हें एक लड़की है। तो ये ना मुझे अभी कैसा अनकम्फर्टेबल फील हो रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने ही उनको बताया था कि चलिए एक साथ जाता हूँ। फिर मतलब वीडियो वो थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेस्टेड था यूट्यूब मतलब चैनल वगैरह, तो मैंने सोचा एक साथ बनाएंगे जाने के टाइम। तो अभी ना मुझे अनकम्फर्टेबल फील हुआ है कि मैं यहाँ ऐसे जाके बोला था उनको। So guys, finally I have arrived at my home, and there is a major problem in this company, and not specifically in this company, in all the companies in BPO sector, that they don't allow you to carry your laptop, so you can't work during your travel or something. So you can't like send DM to your client or do any side hustle, so you like can't do that. They don't appreciate that. So yeah, that's a major downside of the companies in the BPO sector. And since this video covers a lot of inside of the companies, I hope that not gonna get me any trouble. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you work there, make sure to subscribe the channel. And if you are someone who interested in BPO jobs and want to know the criteria, what the qualifications and salary expectation, you guys can comment. I will make sure to make a video on that topic. Okay, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye. By the way guys, today one of my co-worker called me like I kinda resemble Dhruv Rathi, and I was happy, and I heard this a lot from YouTube as well as from Instagram.